All right, guys, we're at EUROMOTIVE Performance right now. In a little bit, I'm gonna have Marlon install my Bilstein B16 Coilovers on my F80 M3. All right, so these are the old KW H.A.S Kit. Obviously a little dirty, but other than that, it works pretty much fine. So I'm excited about getting that suspension installed. The limitations about the KW H.A.S Kit is that the drop that I'm looking for is slightly less than what the KW has. KW, you're allowed to have 1.2 of inch drop, and the B16s are about 1.6 roughly. Thing that I want to talk about Marlon was he is very, very meticulous about everything. He takes his time, gets things done right. I know from when he installed my front lip, there was a whole bunch of leaves inside. And you know what? I'm going to insert a clip into this video so you can see exactly what he did. See, you got cigarette buds in there.
Oh yeah. Look at that.
All right, now that you saw that video, he goes into depth and takes all the gunk out of there, and I appreciate that. But you know, to be honest, that front grille is full of debris now anyway. So I have to get one of those tools to pick all that stuff out. I think AutoZone sells it. It's like a little picker. Would you consider the rears easier than the fronts?
Yeah, way much easier.
Way easier. And plus, you have to install that camber plates too, I think. All right, guys, the Bilstein B16 Coilovers are all in right now. Marlon's just finishing up getting the zip ties for the wires so you can tuck them in. So they're not exposed to the tires and also rubbing up on any other components of that area. But the rears are all done. The fronts are just being, like I said, tightened up. But in a little bit, Marlon's gonna be installing my BBS LMs in the diamond black. If you haven't seen that video, click up on top and also on the description, you'll see that link for that video. In that video too, I also met BBS Jesse, which is Instagram name right over here. Really great guy, obviously has a lot of knowledge about the BBS brand itself. So I got to pick his brain a little bit off camera, and I actually hit him up with a couple questions about the LMs and what he thought about it. So check out that video when you get a chance. Like I said, it'll be in the description for that video. To be honest, I can't wait to see how it rides. And Marlon's doing a great job. Very meticulous about things. The main thing I'm excited for is to retain the EDC with the suspension. I'm also excited to feel the ride quality. I've heard a lot of good things. I know it's gonna be a little bit more stiffer than the KW H.A.S Kit. So if you guys enjoy this video, this install video, enjoy the cinematic footage of Marlon working on the car, hit the like button. I hope you guys subscribe. You know, I'm always coming out with content, and I'm always doing a lot of things with BMW Invasion. If you guys haven't heard of BMW Invasion, check out the YouTube channel up on top and also in the description. But I also want to thank EUROMOTIVE Performance for getting this done in a timely manner, and they always do a great job here. I want to thank Dwayne for setting me up with Marlon. Marlon's very meticulous, as you saw in the video. He's still working on it. He's still making sure that everything is precisely zip tied correctly and neatly, because you don't want the wires hanging out. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.